Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to use your Payoneer card for online payments easily. First, ensure your Payoneer card is active and has sufficient balance. When shopping online, choose Card Payment at checkout and select MasterCard if required. Enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as shown. Use your billing address the same as in your Payoneer profile to avoid declines. For added security, some websites may ask for OTP or verification, so keep your phone or email accessible. Always check the final amount because currency conversion and fees may apply. Avoid suspicious websites and never save your card details on public devices. After payment, you can instantly track the transaction in your Payoneer app. That's it. Simple, secure, and reliable for global online payments every single time. Subscribe the channel for more videos.